Rte.15, Scio Church, West Stadium. This is considered an inbound loop. Therefore, your fare box should always remain on inbound. From the Blake Transit Center, inside of the mall. Leaving the mall, we want to pull out to 5th Avenue, where we will make a right turn. At the traffic light is Williams. We want to make a right turn. Continue through to Life at 4th Ave. Approaching South Main, we will make a left turn. Making a left turn on the South Main. We ask you to remember to keep all of the Ann Arbor crosswalk rules in mind. Whenever there is a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way to the said pedestrian. Continuing on South Main, stop approaching. Please exercise proper caution when crossing tracks, railroad crossing. At the traffic light is Madison. We want to make a right turn. At the stop sign, there's a bus stop. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the stop sign is 7th Street. We want to make a left turn. Here at 7th and Madison, this is the time point. Stop approaching. There's a stop approaching. Traffic light is Pauline. We want to continue straight through. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is West Stadium. We want to continue straight through. Continuing across West Stadium. Stop approaching near the crosswalk. We're on the back side of the Pioneer High School, which is to the left. Back side of the sports campus. Approaching Scio Church Road. Gonna make a right turn. Stop right here. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the light is South Maple Road. We're going to make a right turn here at Scio Church in South Maple. This is a time point. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Coming up at the stoplight is Pauline. We're going to make a right turn. You make a right turn for your days on Scio Church number 15. If you are working an evening piece, you will continue straight until you reach Stadium, and then you will make a right turn and come back down Stadium till we reach Pauline and continue normal route. Stop approaching. Please make certain that you check your run sheet at the appropriate times to see if you continue on with a night piece or the day run as indicated here. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. And at that turn back at Maple and Pauline, that also is a time point. Approaching West Stadium, gonna make a right turn. Stop approaching. Lane ends on the right, want to veer to the left. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're going to stay on Stadium till we reach Franklin Street. Stop approaching. There's a row of apartments on the left side. Franklin Street comes in really sharp at the very end of these apartments. So you want to use this last apartment building on the left as an indicator that it's time for you to make your turn. See here. Here at Stadium in Franklin, this is a time point. Stop just after the turn. Stay on Franklin to the stop sign. There is a bus stop. We're at 7th. We're going to make a left one to 7th. Approaching Pauline. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Coming on Madison Street. I'm going to make a right turn. Here at Madison and 7th, this is a time point. It's a very tight turn, so make certain you exercise caution. Stop approaching. It turns into one narrow lane. Stop approaching. Stop approaching here at the stop sign. At the traffic light is Main Street. I'm gonna make a left turn. Making our left onto Main. Stop approaching. Please exercise care at the traffic railroad crossing. Coming up on Packard. Stop approaching. That is the last serviceable stop prior to making it to the Blake Transit Center. Gonna make a right turn here on Williams. Please make certain that you are aware of what you are through routing with, so that you can approach the Blake Transit Center area accordingly. We're gonna pull back on the 15 stall. We're gonna make our left here at 4th Ave. This concludes the 15 Scio Church West Stadium at the Blake Transit Center.